Guys, and welcome back to another video. I am so glad you clicked in this video today. Today I am doing an extreme speed clean, so join me. I did grocery shopping in Publix and also in BJ's, and I'm just putting stuff away. As you know, there's no school for the rest of the year, so the kids are eating up a storm, and on top of that, the house is just getting crazy messy. If you understand what I'm talking about, hit the like, because we are all in this together. Now, how do y'all feel in the decision that they, decided that there was not going to be any more school for the rest of the year? I know there's moms that, they have to work and this is a hard time. Just let me know how you feel. Comment down below. So to clean my dishes, I'm going to use Dawn Power Wash. That's the same thing I'm using to clean my sink. And let me tell you guys, I love this product. I recently started it because my mom had it in her home. I got this one from BJ's. I believe it was 3 bottles. Yes, it was 3 bottles. Basically, it was a spray bottle and then 2 refills. And I love it. Basically, if you want, you could just, spray it on in your dishes and let it sit for at least a minute. And then once you go with the sponge, it's so easy to remove any grease and everything. I just love it. I mean, I like the regular Dawn, but this one is, it's amazing. And I love what it's doing for, the sink, when I clean the sink, and also for the dishes. So comment down below. Let me know if you have tried this product. If you haven't, give it a try, and then let me know what you think about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray Clorox everywhere. Let it sit for a minute or so. And then I'll go back to wiping. Just because I feel that, especially now with this virus and everything going on in this world, it's a good idea to, let it sit for a while. That way it really does its job. And then, I go ahead and wipe. And it makes me feel better when I'm doing my cleaning. At least I guess I'm doing good. It says it kills 99.9 of bacteria and viruses, if I'm not mistaken. Quote me if I'm wrong, but I am trying.
At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
So I got these containers from BJ's. I was looking for something to put away, like rice or cereal and things like that. And I found these. I believe it was 3 for I want to say $15. And I grabbed them really quick because I've been looking for something sturdy like this, and I am liking them so far. So this table right here is what I used to use for parties, and I'm using it now as a dining table. Now, I've been wanting to buy myself a little small square table for this area. However, I do look around something used and I haven't find something that I like for here. But then again, I start thinking I don't want to stay here long. Should I go ahead and buy it? Because maybe for the next place I am going to need probably something bigger. Like I said, if you know me, I want to look for a house, and I'm not going to keep on bragging about this because I am blessed that I have a home. I just want to look for some place, that is a little bit bigger than this. But anyways, I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and buy a table or just wait for it. And well, let's see. So I had sprayed Clorox on this trash can, and I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe. So now I'm just filling the bucket with some water and putting some pine sol so I can clean these dirty floors. So usually I like to move the fridge when I'm cleaning this area, just because my kids sometimes they serve themselves stuff in top of the fridge, and then they drop things on back there, like it could be a drink or maybe cereal or something, and of course you know how it is, no one did it. So it's just best for me just to move it and check what's back there. And that's why you see me sometimes mopping the walls. That way I take care of whatever spill back there, because of course it splashes sometimes to the wall. So
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we.
now to clean the living room, I got a couple things to pick up in here. Like, my little one sleeps in here, so yes, there's always something going on in the living room. So just gonna give it a quick clean up in here, pick up a couple things and throwing them away. Nothing major. I think it's more like clothes and things that the kids brought out their room when they were cleaning the room. So we gotta go through that together and see what is there to throw out, or see what's there for laundry. But pretty much it's just picking up and passing the vacuum. I like to wipe down, my couches as much as I can, being that sometimes the kids eat something in here. and of course something spill or whatever, so I just like to give it a quick wipe.
Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey,
So now I'm doing one of my favorite chores, which is to vacuum. And I love to vacuum with my Dyson V7. I purchased this last year and I love it. My mom tried it and she is in love with it, so she purchased hers recently. If you wanted to get more information about it, I'm going to go ahead and leave a description down below. I also have a video in Spanish on how to clean it, so if you understand a little or un poquito of Spanish, then go ahead and watch that video. I'll leave it also in the description down below. And here's my daughter. She just wanted to share her painting. I got a couple of canvas from the dollar store and some paint to keep them entertained because the struggle is real. Now I have them here with me going through this bins because they took it out from the room to see what they need to toss and what is it that they need to wash, because these kids are too much. There's always something that they're doing. I don't know. Their rooms becomes messy in minutes. It's like a miracle they do with these rooms. Like I don't get it. I don't understand how they do it. I don't know if it's boredom. I don't know. But please tell me I'm not alone on this.
it's not enough. It's not feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it. No, I don't need it. No, don't need you here to feel alright.
This girl was really bored, I'm telling you. She is something special.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to
So these clothes right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on the laundry. The blankets and clothes, so I can take care of that later. I was wondering if y'all would like to watch a laundry routine day with me, or a day of me doing laundry. If you will like that, please let me know by commenting down below. I'm trying to do videos that you are enjoying, not something that maybe you would not like to watch. But anyways, this concludes the video for today. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join the squad and be part of my YouTube family. I'll check you out in my next video. Peace.
What does perfect even mean?